Look, guys. Petroleum jelly from papaya, mangoes. Hey everyone, good evening, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Always don't forget to like, subscribe and share share with your loved ones. Yeah, today I'm super happy. Do you know why I'm happy, guys? Because I'm gonna be harvesting lettuce. Look at the lettuce, guys. It's super nice. Yeah, for sure. It's ready to be harvested. Some of the like the leaves will be harvested. Look at this. So I will harvest this. You see? So I think I need to tell you how to harvest lettuce. Lettuce, we need the lettuce to keep growing over and over and over again. So when you are harvesting, we have two ways of harvesting, you know, lettuce. So you can pluck, as you saw me doing that. Let me just do it again and see what I mean. So you can pluck this lettuce here, like that, or cut on top, because now when you cut the lettuce, it helps, you know, like regrowing. We need the plants to keep on growing and growing. Yeah, so today I'm gonna put everything here. These are scissors, this is a knife, these are flowers, and that's my phone. So it is harvesting time. You can as well just cut using a scissor or a knife. Because look, lettuce is a salad. We have both soft lettuce and hard lettuce. So this is soft lettuce. I'm looking forward to have green, not greens. You know, we have a lot of greens growing. This is not lettuce. This is sukuma wiki. And the cabbages are really growing big time. It will be next time when I'll be showing you the cabbage growing. Yes. But for today, let's have lettuce harvested. In my next video, I'll be teaching you how to maintain lettuce without pests. Like natural spraying. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I'll teach you how we do it, so we keep it very healthy, guys. It's super healthy. That's what you should know. Look at how healthy this is. Looks good. We only cut that we'll eat or what we need to sell. So, but for now, we're not gonna sell anything but eat lettuce. Yeah, last time we ate some. I didn't show you what we ate. I think we also need to take some of this off. Look at that. Show them the other veggies. So I'll continue with this. This is what I was meaning. Let me show you from this one here. Yeah, let me just show them. So if you don't want to just pluck it out, all you need to do is to cut. Okay, initially I was plucking out. That is lettuce I'm talking about. And now I'm gonna cut. That's another way of doing it. So let's cut it like this. You see that? So you have some left here. Show them, meaning there's room for regrowing. Wow, look guys. Yeah, I think I need also to cut another one. Maybe I'll do this just on top. We need to wash it thoroughly well. So this is our lettuce for now.
Yes.
What's that? The guavas?
Yeah.
Yeah, guavas are really growing for sure. But we need to have a natural remedy to spray it. More guavas at that side. These are all guavas. Let's go that side. And this is amaranthus. One of the best veggies ever you can ever have. I know you have it in your homes. In the comment box below, tell me guys if you have it. Now there's something I'm seeing. Our eggplants, you may call it aubergine, has started growing, flowering. That's what I mean. Look at that. These flowers over here, you know, very soon it will start bringing fruits. Yeah, also that as well. Let me take them to the flower garden. Flower garden. This is cave. I mean, these are fruits for petroleum jelly. These are mangoes. So we make petroleum jelly from papaya, mangoes, and carrots. Okay, so we're gonna be drying it here. Now for now, let me leave the lettuce here. Let me see. Let's have a very good background of our lettuce. Guys, look at that. That's how it is. You can do it at home. Yeah. You know, our cabbage, the cabbage is growing. But we'll talk about cabbage next time. Let's come back here. We planted more flowers. Look how beautiful it is. This flower, I love this. This one here. This is called Amelia. And then we have this one here. This one is medication. I'll tell you in the next video. Calendra, we make oil out of calendra. And then hibiscus and the other flowers. We also planted hibiscus over here. And the other flowers. So beautiful.
Wenda.
People eat these veggies, most especially those in Kenya and, or let me say Africa. Yeah, but also abroad, people eat these. Now, our squash is also growing. You see how, you know, growing plants in sacks really pays big time. Very beautiful, I tell you. Makes the home looks very beautiful. Give them a full view from here, there. See how beautiful it is? Look how beautiful it is.
Concrete cracks underneath your heavy leather boots go running through your veins, my moving, heavy lifting. You carry the weight of the winter. My tash is made of iron. Concrete cracks underneath your heavy leather boots go running through your veins, my moving, heavy lifting. You carry the weight of the winter. My tash is made of iron. My tash is made of iron. Steady hands, steady soul, you stay strong, you stay strong. Everything I need is in your eyes. Everything I need, stay strong, stay strong. Tash, tash. Broken glass scattered on the kitchen tile floor. Sweep it up, never look back. Steel spine, hardened heart. Tashes never heals, never breaks, never folds. You stand like a giant in the rain. My tash is made of iron. My tash is made of iron. Steady hands, steady soul, you stay strong, you stay strong. Everything I need is in your eyes. Everything I need, stay strong, stay strong. Tash, tash. Ooh. Ooh. When the wind begins to howl, when the sky begins to fall, when the world begins to shake, you are the anchor. You are the wall. You are the truth. My tash is made of iron. My tash is made of iron. Steady hands, steady soul, you stay strong, you stay strong. Everything I need is in your eyes.
It is so. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching from where we started up to where we are. I think by now you know what we've been harvesting. Of course, we've been harvesting this lettuce and it feels good. Yeah, it's good to eat salad, but you don't need to buy this. You can do it at home. That's all you need to do. Until next time, let's meet in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Okay.